You guys, this is my coronavirus haul. Yes, I went in that store and got my coconut oil, my olive oil, neck bones, some gloves. Fugaless had these gloves all over the place. They cleaned the water out. What else? Toilet paper, paper towels, that kind of stuff. Pandemic going on about this coronavirus. My age and older are in deep shit. Excuse my language, but deep shit for the older people. Cause we supposed to stay home. I got me some beef short ribs. I'm about to cook some beef short ribs mixed with some of these pork spare rib pieces. And I'm going to sprinkle in some of these pork neck bones. It's a pork day. And no pork chops. I got chicken wings. What else? I don't know why I'm sharing this, but it's just my coronavirus grocery haul. Family, just check it out. Hey, sisters, brothers, rest of the family. Went to that store. I got all my little seasons, some herbs, some dry herbs. And we were going to pick up some more toilet paper, our brand we love, but it was out. They got signs in the store talking about you only get 3 things of water, some 4. One store had a bunch of stuff, but we don't need a lot of stuff. I just wanted some meat and my vegetables and my seasonings, my oil, and that's about it. Just sharing my coronavirus grocery haul with my family. Hope, family, that y'all go out and get y'all some things, because when this pandemic get up to half of whoever getting sick, the elderly, well, yes, I'm 60. My husband and I, we are 60. We are 60, rather. Just got 60. But they saying that 60 and older are in deep trouble with this coronavirus. So we went out there. We seen a lot of other old people out there getting their groceries and stuff, piling up, hauling, prepping for this coronavirus episode. Well, I hope everybody take care of themselves. I was wiping my hands. Yep, my bastards. Gave my husband alcohol wipes. Yep, we was prepared, wiping everything down and stuff. The bastards. Now I'm about to wipe all this stuff down that I just brung in the house and put my meat and stuff up. But I just want to share this. Be careful. The coronavirus is no joke. So I've been watching and hearing about it. So old people like myself, take care of you. And thanks for watching this video. Until I come back with something else, probably be a gardening video. I don't know about crafting because I'm still around here doing spring cleaning. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Maybe I'll get a picture of my... What am I doing that for? I don't need no picture of these dang... I don't know what... I'll just put a plant picture of... I don't need no picture of no food on for my screensaver. I don't know. I'm just... do the best I can with my editing. Alright, bye y'all. I'm rattling on. Okay, family. I have seasoned up my meat. As you can see, I got my neck bones, rib tips, and some, what did I say, short ribs on here. And I'll probably eat me some black eyed peas and okra. No white potatoes, no white rice. If I want something that resembles rice, it will be cauliflower if I want. But meat, oh, excuse me. Oh my God, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Did I just corona my arm? Let me quit making light of this stuff. The coronavirus is very serious, but I just laugh and just make light of the situation. Who wants to be going around here like it's the end of the world? Hopefully not. But anyway, yep. So I share with y'all my coronavirus grocery haul, and this is my dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I had a little something to eat today, but this is going to be the hunk of my meal. So I'm about to put my pork neck bones, pork, let me see, what I got? Rib tips and my, what did I say? Them short ribs. And I guess I have vegetables and a piece of fruit to go with this. Now, this ain't no greedy lady, healthier meals diet video. This is just me sharing with you what I'm about to make after I just went shopping, my coronavirus grocery hauling. All right, family. So I'll talk to y'all later. See you in the video. Be good and take care. Bye.